Hello all. Today we'll go through some of the books in my collection. So this would be a long video. So if you are interested, you can take a look. So this is we have Physics for Everyone, Motion and Heat by L. Landorf and A. Kitay-Gorodsky. Okay. Then we have Probabilities of the Quantum World, Daniel Denin. So this is Stories of Real Men, The Clock of Living Nature. This one, In the Search for Beauty. It's a geometry book. To Find Oneself, When Questions Are Asked, Laser Age in Optics by L.V. Tarasov. This one, Encounters with Physicists and Physics by I.K. Kikoin. Then we have Did You Say Mathematics by Ya Kurgin. This one, Outstanding Scientist, Anatoly Arkadievich Blagandrav. So if there's any correction, please correct my pronunciation. This is Rem Koklov. This one, Academician Steklov, Mathematician Extraordinary. This one, Nikolai Vavilov, The Great Sower, I think. So Ivan Sechenov, Academician Kurchatov, Hero in Science and Labor. This is one of my favorite, I Am Physicist by A. Kitay-Gorodsky. This one, Universal Physical Constants by Spiridonov. This one, Luminescence in Public Health, Barashkov. This book is Earth, Sweet Earth by Radkovich. This one, Cybernetics Today, Achievements, Challenges, Prospects. So here is the Mir Publishers. Then we have The Outer Space and the Man. This one, Physics in Your Kitchen Lab. This one, Axelberg, A Man of the 20th Century. Then these two books are Little Library books. One is Images of Geometrical Solids, and the other one is The Shortest Lines. Then we have A Handbook of Methods of Approximate Fourier Transformation and Inverse of the Laplace Transformation. This is Handbook of Physics. This one, Mathematical Handbook, Elementary Mathematics. This one is Higher Mathematics, Mathematical Handbook. Then this one is Yes, No, or Maybe. This is a Science for Everyone book. This one, Differential Equations in Applications. This one, Physics for Everyone, Volume 2, Molecules. So I have Volume 1 to 3 as a set. I'll show you later. So this one, Anna Karenina, Book 1 and 2. These are Das Kapital, 3 volumes. Okay, here this one, Linear Algebra by Ilyin and Pozniak. So actually Das Jagat is missing in this book. This one is Mathematics for Pre-College Students by Baronov, Bogyatov, Bakonov. Okay, this is The Theory of Functions of a Complex Variable. Okay, I'll keep it down. So this one, Probability Theory and Mathematical Statistics by Klimov. This one, Differential and Integral Calculus by Yas, Bagrov and Nikolsky, Higher Mathematics series. So there are four books, I think. So I have only this one at the moment. This one, Higher Mathematics. This one is Introduction to Discrete Mathematics by Yablonsky. This one, Geometry by A. Pogorelov. This is Ordinary Differential Equations by M.L. Krasnov. Then we have Applied Problems in Probability Theory. So I have another copy with dust jacket, so maybe I'll see you later in the video. This one, Generalized Functions in Mathematical Physics by Vladimir. This is the Theory of Analytical Functions, a brief course by Markusevich. This is Advances in Science and Technology in the USSR, Problems of Computational Mathematics and Mathematical Modeling. This is Sliding Modes and their Application in Variable Structure Systems by V.I. Utkin. Then we have Contact Problems in the Theory of Plates and Shells. This one, Problems in Descriptive Geometry, Algebra and Analysis of Elementary Functions. Here this is two volumes, Differential and Integral Calculus, volume 1. The other one is volume 2, this is by Piskunov. Then we have Nikolsky's A Course of Mathematical Analysis. It's on two volumes. Okay. This one, Mathematical Analysis in Questions and Problems. So there are several holes in this book. So this one is Illin and Pozniak's Fundamentals of Mathematical Analysis, 2 volumes. Then we have Problems in Differential Geometry and Topology. Okay, this one is Lectures on the Theory of Functions of a Complex Variable. I'll keep this down, and here this one is Mathematical Analysis. This is part 2 actually, advanced topics. So yeah, this is 2 volumes book, but part 1 is not available at the moment. In future I'll put a video on that. So this one, Mathematical Methods of Two-Dimensional Elasticity by Kalandia. So actually dust jacket is missing here. This one, Love and Mathematics, biography of Sofia Kovalevskaya. This one, Advances in the Soviet Science and Technology in the USSR, Problems of Computational Mathematics and Mathematical Modeling. Here we have the Theory of Probability. This one, Numerical Methods in Extremal Problems. This is Computational Mathematics, Worked Examples and Problems with Elements of Theory. So we have another Nikolsky's A Course of Mathematical Analysis. I have listed on eBay. So this one, Plane Figures and Sections, how to construct them given specific conditions. This one, The Theory of Elasticity, Mathematics for those entering technical schools, Current Problems in Computational Fluid Dynamics, Advances series. This one, A Book of Problems in Ordinary Differential Equations. So earlier you saw Ordinary Differential Equations, orange color book, same author, Krasnov. This one, Basic Principles of Automatic Control Theory, Special Linear and Nonlinear Systems. This one, Operational Methods, V.P. Meslov. This is one of my favorites, Selected Problems and Theorems in Elementary Mathematics, Arithmetic and Algebra. Another favorite, Methods of Solving Problems in High School Mathematics by Sipkin and Apinski. So here the 2 volumes set, Elasticity, Mathematical Methods of the Theory of Elasticity, part 10. Here, small book, we have a Basic Computational Mathematics, Mathematical Modeling, Models of Electric Machines. Here we have Higher Mathematics in Problems and Exercises. So dust jacket is missing, but a new stock is arriving with dust jacket. This one, Linear Algebra, Problems book by H.D. Ikramov. Here a collection of problems on the equations of mathematical physics. So there is a theory book called it's at the moment I don't have. This one is Problems in Analytic Geometry, Kletanik. This one, Problems in Geometry, Kutapov and Rubanov. Here this one is Problems in Mathematics with hints and solutions. Here this one, Analytic Geometry, A.V. Pogorelov. This is questions and problems in high school mathematics. Conduct UFA. One of the most sought after book. This one mathematical logic. So this is mathematics for technical schools. Problem in high school mathematics. This one algebra by Nikolsky and Potapov. This one solving problems in algebra and trigonometry by Litvinenko Motkovich. This is the physics section, so we'll go through the books. Selected problems on physics. Then we have theory of heat treatment of metals. We have remotely controlled robots and manipulators. This one wooden and plastic structures. Repair of metal cutting machines. Electrical control equipment. This one fundamentals of electricity. This one television. This is repair of power transformers, switch gear and protective gear, repair and maintenance. Cylindrical grinding practice. Plastering. Signals and circuits by Baskakov. We have fundamentals of mass transfer. Okay, this is A.N. Matveev's molecular physics. So this book, last time I had a copy, and it was sold for $325. You can check on eBay. Also recently I sold Optics by A.N. Matveev for $450. So this is a very expensive book. This one, Complex Thermodynamic Systems by Saichuf, and the differential equations of thermodynamics. Then we have Thermodynamics, Statistical Physics and Kinetics by Rumer. Fundamentals of Heat Engineering. We have Savelyev Physics, Volume 2. So I don't have Volume 1 at the moment. Molecular gas lasers. So actually there are 3 volumes, and third volume is here. Only Volume 1 is missing. So this one, Laser Physics and Applications by Tarasov. Here this one, Gravity Prospecting. Beautiful book. Then selected questions and problems in physics. This one, Static Theory of Thin-walled Space Structure. Similarity and Dimensional Methods in Mechanics. Geology and with the elements of geomorphology. Problems in the solid state physics. Superconductivity, superdiamagnetism, superfluidity. We have Theoretical Mechanics by Nikitin. Low Temperature Physics, Advanced Series. The Mechanics by Stelkov. Theory of Elasticity of an Anisotropic Body. Theoretical Mechanics, a short course. The Wonderful Wizard of Magnesia. Heat transfer in boiling cryogenic liquids. Physics of magnetic semiconductors. Collected problems in physics. This is a 2-volume set. Aerodynamics. This is also by N.F. Krasnov, sought after set. Physics of the 20th Century, History and Outlook. Lectures in Analytic Mechanics, Gunt Measure. So this one, Volume 3, Volume 1 is missing. So this one, Energy and Entropy. We have fundamental laws of mechanics. This one, Introduction to Physics. Fundamentals of Physics by Ivanov. So these books are in very beautiful condition. Look like this you will be the first owner. So they are in such a great condition, most of the books. So this one, heat transfer. So dust jacket is missing. This one, the quantum dice, Ponomarov. So here Mir Publishers is not printed here, but only in the spine you can see the logo. Problems in General Physics by Irodov. These are original books. Okay. Problems in Physics, Zuber. This one, Fundamentals of Atomic and Nuclear Physics. These are 2-volume set. Experimental Nuclear Physics. This one, volume 2. This one, red color, volume 1. Here we have fundamentals of thermodynamics and heat engineering. This one, problems on fundamentals of hydraulics and heat engineering. So this one, hydraulic machines, turbines and pumps. Building in hot climate. Childhood osteology. This is also Mir Publishers book. Plugging materials and cementing of walls. Here this is a 2-volume set. Differential diagnosis of internal diseases. Television. So this television and this television are different by different authors. Sorry. Binary automatic control systems. Fundamentals of industrial automation. Principles of automation and automated production processes. Installing oil refinery production equipment. Fundamentals of machine design. So I have some other volumes also, volume 5, 3, 2, something like that, but I haven't added to eBay yet, so these are not on this rack. This one, electrical engineering. So one of the rare books. Electric power system installation practice. So most of these books are very rare because these books are out of print, and all the books I am showing are original books. Fundamentals of manufacturing engineering. So I think maybe 2 years back I sent a copy to Indonesia, $150. This one, optical instrumentation theory and design. Repair of windings and insulation in electric machines. I have sent one to Australia. So this also rarely I get a copy. This one, population biology, advanced series. This one, an introduction to computers, Sergeyev. So this one, theoretical principles of electric steel making. We have 2-volume set, electroslag welding and surfacing. So here another 2 set, road and building materials. Here soil mechanics. This one, reliability of machines, general hydrogeology. Sorry. This one, CAD basics, soil mechanics. This one, Vladimir Katsu, I can't read it. So this one, steam boilers of thermal power stations. This one, steam power plant piping design, continental endogenic regimes, fertilizer manufacture, glazing practice, rice growing. We have advanced series, hyperbaric oxygenation and its value in cardiovascular surgery. We have problems in general physics by Falkenstein. This one, hydraulics, load bearing structures, pretest load bearing metal structures. Give me a second. Okay. So this one, fundamentals of microelectronics. we have selected works, Ziolkowski. So this is fundamentals of the theory of plasticity, physics, Heli Resnick solutions manual, elastic plastic fracture mechanics, fundamentals of heat engineering and hydraulics, theory of elasticity, this one earth and sky, quantum electrodynamics, this one problems on fundamentals of hydraulics and heat we saw earlier, this one experimental methods of polymer physics, manual of the theory of elasticity, fundamentals of electrical engineering. Excuse me if there's any error because it's late night here, and I woke up to do this video without any distraction. So this one, ideals and realities, selected essays of Abdus Salam, low temperature properties of polymers. Give me a second. Okay, so this one, physics of weakly ionized gases, from the campfire to the plasma, fundamentals of quantum mechanics by V.A. Fock, good name. Then structural geology and geological mapping, design of earthquake resistant structures, electric power systems, FMS and control of machine tools, occupational health and safety in manufacturing industries, radio instruments, tropical and subtropical soil science, problems of development biology, treatment of breast tumors. This is a 2-volume set, pediatric surgery. We have malaria, and finally general veterinary surgery. Okay, we'll go through this book set. This one, semi-automatic and automatic lathes. This one, optimal operation of power plants and electric systems, elementary plan and mind saving, electrical network performance calculations and analysis, marine internal combustion engine, laboratory practice in knitting technology, so dust jacket is missing. This one, mechanics in modern engineering design, volume 2. This one is construction of nuclear power plants. So if you want to construct a nuclear power plant, pay $500 for this book. So this book reinforced concrete technology and practice, measurements and instrumentation in heat engineering, volume 1. So I think I have volume 2, but I have to find it. Okay, construction of power transmission lines and substations, repair of farming machinery, brazing and soldering of metals, assembly practice in machine building, repair and adjustment of textile machines. This one, nuclear engineering materials, high voltage switchgear, hermatology and transfusiology, design and direction reinforced concrete structures, machine tools, laboratory work for courses in manufacturing engineering, laboratory practice in the study of textile materials, introduction to energy technology. We have building materials and components, tables of weights, tool steels, machine tool design. This one, volume 4. Here there are 2-volume set: Handbook of Cotton Weaving, Thermodynamics of Chemical Processes, Driving Horizontal Workings and Tunnels. Maybe Elon Musk would need a book. Electrical Measurements. Here 2-volume set: Chemical Technology, Volume 1 and Volume 2. One is red and other brown. Introduction to Electrochemistry. What is this? Okay, the living sonars of the ocean. Finally, a design of automotive engines. Okay, here this book, Geographical Prognostication, Problems and Prospects. This one, Progress Publishers book. So here we have experiment optimization in chemistry and chemical engineering, chemical kinetics, catalysis, theoretical foundations of modern chemical analysis. We have non-ferrous metallurgy, textbook on general chemistry, determination of the geometrical structures of free molecules, foundations of chemical kinetics, advances in organometallic chemistry. So this is an advances series. General chemical engineering, course in colloid chemistry, advances in physical chemistry, the chemistry and physics of polymers, fundamentals of chemical technology, chemistry of water and microbiology, methodological aspects of the course in inorganic chemistry. This is a 2-volume set, a guide to practical radiochemistry. One is red, other is blue. Fundamentals of metallogenic analysis, calculations of chemical technological processes. Okay, one of my favorite, this is a 4-volume set, Fundamentals of Organic Chemistry. Purple, 4 volume 1 green color, volume 2 red, volume 3 orange. This one, dust and fume generation in the iron and steel industry. So this one, quantitative analysis, analytical chemistry and metallurgy, catalyst technology, methods of metallurgical experiment, physical metallurgy of platinum metals, examples and problems to the causes of unit operations of chemical engineering, theory of valence in progress. My favorite, analytical chemistry of rare elements. This is engineering drawing. So these are some of the books, not all the books. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. So if you are interested, you please head on to eBay or Amazon. eBay is almost all the books are on eBay. So only few books are on Amazon. So you would see that I have more than 188 positive reviews. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.